guys, good morning. So I wanted to share with you some breakfast toast alternatives because a lot of times I've been eating a lot of avocado toast. It's a good thing to eat, while you're on a vegan lifestyle or any lifestyle. But I want to show you 3 different alternatives that I've been enjoying lately, okay? So let me show that to you real fast. So the first alternative is going to be my chocolate banana almond toast. And for that one, you'll need some grain bread. I like multi-grain bread because it works really good with this recipe. And then some chocolate spread. So I made a chocolate almond spread using a few ingredients like some cocoa powder, almond butter, some agave nectar. I'll put the recipe on the website, all right? And once you have that ready, spread as much as you like on the toast. And if you can put a thicker layer, if you like you some chocolate, go ahead and put a lot on. I just put a thin layer on there because I don't like a lot of chocolate. However, after that, I grab a half a banana, slice it up really good, and just top the toast with a half a banana. And I topped it with a few pecans. That's going to give it, more of a crunchy texture so that you can have a little creaminess, a little crunchiness. So that's the way I like to eat my toast. So this one was really good. It kind of reminded me of those dipped chocolate bananas that have little crunchy nuts on the outside that you get at the fairs and stuff in some stores. So I liked it. It was really good. So the next alternative is a tofu egg toast. So this one, I use some tofu. So the tofu that I used this time to have it more of a drier egg was my frozen tofu. Usually I freeze the tofu, then unthaw it, squeeze it out. So that's why it has this type of texture. So I just crumbled that up and put it in a pan with a little bit of oil and get that warmed up a bit. I add a little bit of turmeric on there to give it that eggy look and kind of a little bit of eggy flavor. And turmeric is good for you anyway, especially when you combine it with some black pepper. I threw a little bit of spinach on there and I put some nutritional yeast. You can add as much as you like. It gives that vitamin B. And there's that pepper right there I was talking about because you need that when you use turmeric because it helps the turmeric work in your body. And then I put a little bit of salt in there. Top it with a little bit of cheese. You can use any type of cheese you like. Let that melt a little bit, and then I grab me some sourdough bread. So on that sourdough bread, put a little bit of cream cheese on there because you want to get that creamy flavor. And I topped it with some tomatoes. You can top it with whatever you like. And then I put that tofu egg on top, and it came out delicious. I like this one a lot. This is a great alternative for eggs. And if you wanted to have a softer egg taste, you can also use tofu that's not frozen, just right out the package, okay, once you squeeze that liquid out. So there you go. So our last alternative is my fig and walnut toast. And it's so yummy. I think this one is my favorite. So what you're gonna do is grab yourself an onion, and I just use a half an onion, cut it up really into like little small pieces. So after your onion is all cut up, put a little bit of oil in your pan and saute those onions until they get kind of translucent and golden brown. Once it's golden brown, add a little bit of water on it so it can soften them up a little more. And what I did was put a little bit of organic sugar on there and a pinch of salt. That's gonna make it caramelize and taste a little sweeter, so it'll be really good on your toast. So I use pumpernickel bread for this toast because it tastes really good with it. And what I did was you spread some vegan cream cheese on it, topped it with some fig jam, and I made homemade fig jam. And I'll put that recipe on the website if you want to make that fig jam. Then top it with a generous amount of those caramelized onions. I love onions, so I like to put a lot on mine. Grab some chopped walnuts and put them on top of that. And there you have it. So there are my 3 alternative breakfast toast recipes. Hopefully you guys like them. And if you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel. And I will see you next time on the next video. Bye guys.